I am super happy that I signed up for this 4-day boot camp.
So I want to take a couple of minutes to thank Sprintzeal for the opportunity with the online class.
So overall, how was your experience?
It was really good. I think it kind of helped me understand a lot about what's expected on the exam.
I too want to thank Sprintzeal for creating a wonderful experience with the PMP program.
Hi everybody, I am very fortunate to take this class in this Sprintzeal online class platform.
Yeah, hi everyone, and it was a great experience to work with the Sprintzeal.
Thanks Sprintzeal for offering us something like this during very difficult times. It was a breath of fresh air for all of us, I believe.
First, I'd like to thank Sprintzeal for this great opportunity and their customer service. It was great, very smooth.
Initially, I was hesitant because I was looking for the opportunity for an in-class session, but I appreciate the instructor Biswa doing his best to put it into a real class environment.
Actually, Sprintzeal website was better than I was expecting it, since it's the first time I do the e-learning.
From Sprintzeal, I want to first thank the coordinator that registered me, Mr. Alex Wood. This was so helpful with how he guided me through the registration process for the boot camp and all the resources that he has provided through Sprintzeal.
Timely respond to my issues, like in terms of even trying to call me in the morning that classes are getting ready.
It was such a pleasurable experience especially when you meet knowledge and experienced people such as Mark, Rowan, and all the guys, and Abdul Karim and everybody over here. And I really appreciate all the things that Sprintzeal provided. And
I feel he's super knowledgeable and very patient.
Feeling more confident right now.
Such a great and insightful course.
I saw so many other trainings out there that they are giving. But to talk about Sprintzeal, I'm sure that's the cheapest course.
And I totally recommend anyone to go and join Sprintzeal.
It's amazing to be able to go through all of this, and I think that I'll approach the exam with great confidence.
And hopefully in the future, I'll continue my education with Agile and program management in the future. Thanks a lot.
Since it's on my convenience of timing, and I can schedule my own study throughout the day.
Thank you, Vishwa, for all the time and the effort you put in training us and sharing the knowledge and information with us. I love the ambience that you created, love the challenge that you created also. I appreciate everything, and it was such a beautiful experience.
They were incredibly helpful and answered all of my questions and sent me information on a regular basis. And it helped me make the decision to go with Sprintzeal. I've been really impressed with the classes, so I think it's been a great experience.
You're doing a great job.
And on a scale of 1 to 5, 5 being the best, where would you rate the overall training?
Oh, 4 to 5.
He brings the knowledge and experience to the class. Not only that, he makes the class so interesting and highly interactive. We have quizzes that make the class really great. I'm very obligated to this Sprintzeal team, the support team.
Thank you, Sprintzeal. Thank you, Vishwa. Thank you, Mr. Alex Wood.
I think this is by far one of the best I've gone through so far. I feel very confident that I will pass this time. So thank you, Sprintzeal.
Thank you so much.
Thanks to Sprintzeal.